How to check the real battery health on iPhone. Here's how you can do it on iOS 16. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Battery. Next, tap Battery Health and Charging. Here, you'll see your maximum capacity. This shows how much battery capacity your iPhone has compared to when it was brand new. For example, if it shows 100%, your battery is in excellent condition. If it shows 90%, your battery can still hold up to 90% of its original charge. You'll also see peak performance capability. If your battery is working normally, your iPhone will display a message saying it supports normal peak performance. If your battery has significantly degraded, you may see a message recommending a battery replacement. Keep in mind that maximum capacity is Apple's estimate based on your battery's condition. It isn't an exact measurement, but it's the best built-in indicator of your battery's health. If you want more detailed battery information, you can use Apple's analytics data. Go back to Settings. Tap Privacy and Security. Scroll down and select Analytics and Improvements. Make sure Share iPhone Analytics is enabled. After your iPhone has collected analytics data for a few days, open Analytics Data and look for a file that starts with Analytics or Log Aggregated. This contains battery information, although it's more advanced to read. For most users, the battery health and charging page is the easiest and most reliable way to check your battery condition. And that's it. That's how you can check the real battery health of your iPhone on iOS 16. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.